In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your subscription plan on Xero. This process is smooth and straightforward, ensuring you have all the features and services you need to manage your business effectively. The journey starts with logging into your Xero account. First, visit the Xero website and use your email and password to access your account. It's essential to ensure that your credentials are correct, as you'll need full access to your organization's dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the main navigation area where you can access the various features Xero has to offer. From here, locate the section labeled Subscription and Billing. This area is your gateway to managing your plan, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the options available. Now that you're in the Billing section, you'll want to select a plan that meets your current needs. Xero offers various plans, each tailored for different types of businesses and accounting needs. If you're looking to upgrade what you already have, simply click on Manage Subscription. Here, you can explore the updated features and capabilities available with each option. Once you've found the plan or the changes that you think best fit your requirements, it's vital to review all the details carefully. Check the features included in your plan, as well as any associated pricing. This is also the perfect time to consider if you'd like to add any optional add-ons to enhance your experience further. Whether you're opting for extra capabilities or sticking with the essentials, make sure you're entirely comfortable with the selections. After you've made your plan choice and reviewed the details, the next step is to confirm your billing information. Xero needs up-to-date billing details to ensure there's no interruption in your service. You can either confirm the existing billing account linked to your profile or enter new information if anything has changed. Remember to include accurate names and emails for the invoicing process, as these details are crucial for seamless transactions. With the billing information in place, it's time to enter your payment details. In the payment window that appears, you'll need to provide your credit or debit card number, along with the expiration date and CVV code. If you're entering this information for the first time, double-check it to prevent any errors that might delay your service. Finally, take one last look at your order details before confirming the purchase. Reviewing this information is your last chance to ensure everything is as it should be. When you're satisfied, simply click on Confirm Purchase to finalize your payment. Upon confirmation, your updated subscription plan will be activated, allowing you to fully leverage the power of Xero for your business operations. And that's it. You have successfully updated your subscription plan in Xero.